In this lesson, you are going to understand equations and solutions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify equations and variables and use substitution to find solutions to equations. Okay, so before we start, there are some things that we need to understand. These are a key vocabulary. This is equation. So, what is an equation? We've talked about this before. The difference between an equation and an expression. So, an equation is a math sentence using an equal sign to show two expressions are equal. So, here is an example. We have 4 plus b equals 9. So, this equal sign right here is showing us that these two expressions, here's one, 4 plus b, and 9 is the other, that those are equal. Okay? That is what an equation is. The solution of an equation, okay, that's the next key term you need to know, solution of an equation. That is the value of the variable that makes the equation true. So in this example that I gave you up here, 4 plus b equals 9. That is the equation. The solution, okay, is 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 is the solution. So 5, the variable b would equal 5. That is my solution to this equation. Because when I add 4 plus 5, I'm going to get 9. So 9 equals 9. So this is a true solution. It makes the equation true. So let's practice, okay? So these are going to be types of questions that you're going to see. Is the equation true or false if n equals 8? So our variable is n. So let's look at this example right here. N equals 54 minus 36. Okay, so is n going to equal 8? Let's find out. We're going to subtract 54 minus 36. I cannot take 6 away from 4, so I have to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I get 18. N is 8. So N, let's plug this in. 8 equals 54 minus 36. Do I get 8 on this side? No, I get 18. 54 minus 36 is 18. So this is not a true equation. This is false. Okay, so we would write false. So let's look at this one. 5 times n equals 40. So let's substitute n equals 8 right here. So instead of n, it becomes 5 times 8 equals 40. Well, let's see. What is 5 times 8? Oh, 5 times 8 is 40. 40 equals 40. Oh, look at this. Both sides are the same. They're both equal. So this equation is true. It is true that the solution to this equation is 8. It is not true that the solution to this equation is 8. Okay, so this is a type of question you'll see. Substitute it in and tell me if the equation is true. If both sides are the same, then it's true. Sometimes you're going to see questions like this. Substitute each given value of the variable to find the solution, if any, of the equation. So this if any, that means that sometimes there is not going to be a solution. So let's look at this example. N is going to equal 2. It's also going to equal 3 and 4. So we have to substitute these numbers in for n. So let's do the first one, 2. 4 times 2 equals 35. Okay, what is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 equals 35. Nope, that is not a solution. Let's try 3. 4 times 3 equals 35. What is 4 times 3? That is 12. 12 equals 35. Nope, that is not a solution. How about the next one? 4 times 4 equals 35. What's 4 times 4? That is 16. So 16 equals 35? No, that is not a solution. So in this case, I would write there are no solutions. There is no given solution. Okay, so out of these three, not one of these is going to be a solution for n equals 35. But sometimes you might have a solution. So let's look at this example. 4n equals 16. N equals 2, 3, and 4. Same numbers. So let's plug it in. 4 times 2 equals 16. 4 times 2 is 8. Does 8 equal 16? No, this one is not a solution. How about the next one? 4 times 3 equals 16. What's 4 times 3? That is 12. 12 equals 16? No, this is not a solution. Let's try the next one. 4 times 4 equals 16. What is 4 times 4? That is 16. 16 equals 16. Oh, look, both sides are the same. So this is the solution. I would write for my answer here, n equals 4. That is my solution to 4n equals 16. So we are going to do some practice looking to see what values are going to give us a solution, if any. And also, is the equation, or what variable makes the equation true? So we're going to be looking at problems like this.